Alrighty guys, so what I'll be doing for you today is an unboxing, review and install of this aftermarket coolant overflow tank that I bought off eBay. I've already taken a sneak peek of it and it looks really nice, so let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, bubble wrap, that's what we like to see. That's one way to turn it on. Anyways, back to this review. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble it. So that there's the aftermarket aluminium coolant overflow tank fully assembled. I really like what they did here with these two elbows and this clear tubing, because how are you going to see the level of the coolant if it's powder coated black? Well, this will give you a good indication of how full or how empty it is. So yeah, let's go take this over to the engine bay and see how these brackets line up with the holes in the engine bay. Now, something I can already see that's coming into play is that right there is hitting my wheel well. I want that to come down and sit like that, but that's getting in the way. So I may have to drill a hole or figure something out so that that can go into the hole and the piping can maybe come out of that hole maybe. I don't know, we'll figure it out, because at the moment that seems to line up there, but that doesn't line up with any hole over there. I think it needs to go down to that hole, which would require me drilling that out like I said. So that there is a coolant tank installed. I did end up drilling that hole a little bit too bigger than what it should have been, but at the end of the day, we didn't really know exactly where it was going to end up, so I'll just have to plug that up with a rubber grommet or something. This mounting point over here seemed to line up pretty well. I just put a bolt through it, whereas this one over here didn't line up with any hole whatsoever. I had to use my hammer in the end and massage it around to suit the strut tower, so I'll just end up drilling a hole myself and tapping it and putting a bolt through. But when you take a step back and you look at the engine bay as a whole, it actually looks really nice and it looks like it's meant to be there. So I guess all there is now to do is to join the coolant overflow tank to the radiator with some hosing. So there you have it, that's the aftermarket coolant overflow tank install. In summary, would I buy this again? Yes, I would. The reason why is because it's $50, you can't really go wrong. And secondly, it's much neater and tidier rather than looking at a foggy factory coolant bottle. So that's everything for this video. If it's helped you, leave a like and I'll see you on the next one.